Can you actually get paid on TikTok streaks? Now, what are TikTok streaks? Well, as you can see, streaks help you keep track of the people you message the most on TikTok. If you message someone with 3 days in a row, a streak badge displays on the chat. So basically, for example, you're on TikTok, right? And you're talking to someone. If you talk for 3 days, you will get a streak badge. And then the next day, you will get a second streak badge, and so on. So basically, this stacks up, and there is some sort of misconception. So, a lot of people think that you can actually get money by doing TikTok streaks. Well, the short and simple answer is no. Like this article says, I know this isn't helping the algorithm, but please, for your sanity, don't do a deep dive trying to figure out if you'll be getting paid for streaks. We are not. So, yeah, they won't pay you just because you're messaging someone on TikTok. So, there you have it. That's the answer. You will not get paid for streaks. For example, if you have like 1,000 streaks, you won't get paid for that because TikTok actually doesn't care about your streaks. But if you want to make money on TikTok, I recommend going the affiliate route. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.